Welcome and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If this is the first time coming here, consider subscribing to the subscribe button, turn the notification icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So on today's design, let's touch one of the tools on this Pixellab app, and that tool should be perspective. So you see this picture you are seeing on this Pixellab interface now. I use that perspective tool to do it. So without any further ado, I will be teaching you how to do it. Now let's open the gallery and I will import a new image and do it. I'll place it on that frame there. This is the picture here. So this is it. I've activated this thing now. I will now go and activate the perspective tool. Once you touch it, you enable it this way. Then you now start working. Just be watching me. So this is it. You see, I've placed this thing now. I will now use my position to make sure the thing is placed well. So this is it. This is how you can use your perspective tools to do this thing. So thank you so much for watching the video. The video is not too long as you are seeing it. Endeavor to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. Thank you so much and see you next time in my next